fuck is up in the sky? What the fuck? Crazy. What the fuck? Crazy. Hey, fool, come here. Come here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what the chemtrail does.
What is that?
Okay, you hear all the weird noises in the sky? You don't hear them. Earlier you hear them. You know all the chemtrails, all that shit, chemical shit,
Yeah.
right? Look at the sky. Look at the cloud formation. It's all coming this way, like a V shape.
Yeah.
But look at the sky. See all that shit? The color?
What is that?
That's all in the sky. Look, see, it's all like that. All that chemtrail shit.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
what.
no, those ain't clouds.
It's all like. See all that shit changing colors? It's all coming from around it. Like. And right now, all the strange sounds you're hearing earlier, the big old booms.
Oh, yeah.
That's what's causing it. All that shit's like aluminum shit. Look at that. You hear it? That's all that noise is at.
That's a trip, huh?
Straight fool.